Cooper and I are out here on a quick little day trip to the Oregon Coast Range. Kim is back at home having her bridal shower, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to get out, explore the mountains, cook a steak, enjoy the rain, and just see what some of our options might be for camping out here in the Coast Range. Well, it's not raining too terribly bad. Sounds kind of nice on the awning. Cooper's out exploring around in the rain and eating a bunch of grass. I'll walk on down to the creek and see what that's about in a second. This is one of my absolute favorites. Sweetwater Brewing Company. I think they're out of somewhere in Georgia. I used to drink this all the time when I lived in Louisiana, and I found like a whole case of it at Safeway today or yesterday. So if you find this stuff, it's really good. Especially they have like a little blueberry pale ale. Oh my goodness, it is wonderful. Coop. You go, bud. Hey, bud. Come here. Whoa. Well, I definitely just found our summer swimming hole. Check this out. Heck yeah. Oh, this is lovely. A nice little pool right here. This is beautiful. All right, heading back. Gonna have a little fire. And then we're gonna cook ourselves a steak. And it's gonna be lovely. Well, I just recorded a few videos out here and talked about how much money we make here on YouTube. So I'm not quite sure when those videos are going up, but I'll link them if they're up already. And my fire almost went out while I was doing that, and I really got to get it prepped for this steak because it's, you know, kind of sprinkling every now and then, and just really need to get some good coals down there. Oh. Huh? I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, buddy. Check that out. Let's go. Hey, look at that. There's the sun. Cool. What do you think, Coop? Like the sun? You happy? You happy? I'm just gonna pull my steak out of here, let it rest. Got ourselves a boneless ribeye from Safeway. We'll see how it is. So I've heard it's better to cook a steak with vegetable oil first, and then you toss in the butter a little bit later. See if we can't get some of that oil under the steak. I fear I may have overcooked my potatoes. Probably trying to get them nice and crispy, but we'll see. Well, I don't think I had quite enough heat to do the steak the way that I really wanted to. Should have put a little bit more wood before I started, but I think it still came out pretty okay. I'm gonna let it rest for a few minutes and then we'll chop it up. These potatoes came out very good though. Well, I was a little worried about the potatoes being in there too long, but they're nice and crispy. I'm happy with that. Very good. Well, looks like it might be okay. Nah, that's overcooked. Whoops. Oh well, it'll still be good. That's definitely overcooked. Dang it. I've never cooked a steak over a fire before, so I feel like that's a rookie move by me. Oh yeah, it's still tasty though. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the best steak I've ever had or made, but it's pretty good. Got a little bit of color in there, but I definitely cooked it more than I wanted to. But can't get mad at a meal like this out in the woods. Cooper's been getting a couple pieces as well, and he's sitting here staring at me. Lay down. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff, huh, bud? Whew. Oh, it's a big steak. Definitely not going to finish these potatoes. Came out nice and crispy, though. Well, y'all, I think that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like the like button. And check out some other videos on our channel. And if you're new here, go check them out. And maybe subscribe if you want to. Next time we talk to you guys, it'll be probably... Well, actually, we're going on a trip next weekend. So we'll see you next weekend. But after that, it'll be a little while. So take care, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.